Introducing rubber nano products Activ8, a new activation technology in rubber vulcanization. Unique activator for product enhancement and energy savings. Activ8 is a breakthrough technology in rubber processing, designed to enhance the sulfur vulcanization of dying rubbers. It acts as an activator in the cure package, which also dissolves the cure components, boosting all existing accelerators' ability to exceed their current vulcanization efficiencies. It improves both physical and dynamic properties, as well as production conditions. Activ8 manifests energy savings and throughput increases, with no equipment or process changes. Activ8 was developed to achieve better efficiencies in rubber vulcanization. It functions like an ionic liquid for a more efficient reaction rate, like a super solvent, dissolving the required chemicals during the vulcanization process. Activ8 functions as both an ultra accelerator and an activator, but with unique capabilities to interact with filler particles, achieving an improved dispersion of cure active components in the rubber matrix. Activ8 main features. Generally suitable as a drop-in product without formulation changes. It provides low dosage for large impact, between 1 and 2.5 parts per hundred with NR, SPR, IIR, and NBR, and between 2 to 6 parts per hundred for EPDM. It is also heavy metal free, non-nitrosamine generating, works in most rubber systems, including SPR, NR, IIR, NBR, and EPDM, and contains REACH-approved components. This also introduces opportunities for significant cure package optimization. Activ8 direct benefits. Introducing Activ8 results in enhanced cure rates and improvements in vulcanization reaction kinetics with the following effects: reduced cure time as cure rate increases, energy savings in terms of reduced cure time or reduced press temperature, improved dispersion of cure active components in rubber mix, improved vulcanization properties such as UTS and modulus, opportunity to reduce zinc oxide content and still achieve desired modulus, and validated DPG replacement. Activ8 indirect benefits. Superior product performance by lowering zinc content, cure time matching of normally very disparate rubbers. Modulus and UTS can be improved by synergistic interaction of Activ8 and silica, and wider formulation capabilities to achieve a broader range of properties. Activ8 assurances. Environmental benefits include complete elimination of DPG, reduction of zinc oxide up to 90%, and being heavy metal free. Improved rate of reaction includes enhanced cure rate for any sulfur vulcanized dying rubber curative system, reduction in cure time by up to 50% plus, or reduction in cure energy consumption by up to 50% plus through temperature reductions. These tunable outcomes result in the ability to optimize time and temperature parameters for the most desirable result. This, whilst increasing production throughput and reducing overall production costs, labor, energy, and machinery cost per part, thus improving overall efficiencies. Improvements in properties include static properties, which are improved modulus, UTS, and hardness; dynamic properties, which include lower tan delta and better rolling resistance; other properties, which include blowing activator, non-glooming, which cannot crystallize; improvements in aging, and compression set. Activ8 will lower all end product tan delta values by at least 10%. Additional improvements will occur in standard measures such as UTS, EAB, and modulus 100. Curing effect of Activ8. Cure rate and kinetics of vulcanization are both improved by addition of Activ8, making rubber cure faster and stronger. Dosage guide to using Activ8. During the development of Activ8, it was found that the ionic liquid has an optimal dosage point for each cure system. This point is reached when the ionic liquid can fully dissolve all other ingredients, ensuring a homogeneous mixture. Identifying the dosage is valuable as Activ8 influences cure kinetics differently once the threshold is exceeded. Determining this point is relatively simple. A dosage trend of Activ8 is mixed into the control rubber and rheometry is measured. Plotting TC90 will reveal a useful and insightful trend. The dosage trend is determined individually for each system, as it depends on the polymer, filler, and accelerator loadings. While Activ8 can be used at lower dosages than the identified optimum, The cure system is most likely to be fully dissolved at this optimal level or higher. Therefore, a slight overdose is preferred to ensure consistent system behavior, compensating for the inevitable dosing inaccuracies in practice. Despite the recommendation for overdosing, in some cases, the total required dosage of Activ8 can be minimal while still achieving optimal results, as observed in several EPDM systems. Controlling scorch. Activ8 lowers the energy requirement to achieve the same performance parameters while improving scorch safety. Varying the addition of Activ8 allows fine-tuning and full scorch control. Energy savings. Rubber curing usually comprises between 50 to 75% of the energy used in rubber manufacturing. Temperature reductions in the curing cycle therefore result in significant savings. The extent of this reduction will be variable per rubber system and is equipment dependent, but in all cases, energy will be saved and existing properties are maintained or improved. Rubber Nano Products. Rubber Nano Products is committed to creating superior rubber and chemical solutions while prioritizing sustainability. RNP focuses specifically on R&D of its core ionic liquid and innovative market technologies that address some of the global challenges related to sustainability.